Welcome back to your Forex trading update for today, July 15th. For less than 2 minutes video, we're going to cover xauusd analysis today. Gold has been moving hard this week, and we'll also run through the Forex fundamental analysis that's driving the dollar, the euro, and global risk sentiment right now. The New Zealand dollar, the British pound, and the euro are leading today with the strongest bullish readings. On the other side, the US dollar and the Japanese yen remain the weakest. The British pound against the US dollar is the strongest major pair today, showing a clear bullish bias. Meanwhile, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar is the weakest, which reflects strong bearish pressure. The Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen stands out as the strongest minor pair today. In contrast, the euro against the British pound and the euro against the Canadian dollar remain the weakest, both showing a bearish tone. Metals and oil are mostly neutral today. Platinum and copper show slight strength, while gold and silver are relatively flat, and oil is trading with a slightly weaker tone. Among the indices, China 50 is showing the clearest bullish bias. Most other major indices remain neutral, while the Russell and the Nikkei appear relatively weaker. Canada and Japan are showing the strongest positive economic surprises, which means recent data came in better than expected. Australia remains the weakest in this group. The US dollar continues to show the strongest overall economic strength. Meanwhile, the euro and the Canadian dollar are currently the weakest from a macroeconomic perspective. That's today's global macro overview. Focus on the strongest market gaps, wait for confirmation, and stay ahead with Beat Market Maker.